Yeah, what's going on, y'all? What up, guys? Today is actually Saturday. It's like 10:50 right now, and I'm headed to Julio's block because I didn't even know. I was out with my wife and my mom or whatever, celebrating my mom's birthday, but I didn't even know. Looking at our group chat, and I just seen that Julio put the motor in and everything in his car, so he's about to start it. So I'm gonna head over there, see what's up with the guys, and hopefully get the first crank today if everything goes good. Should be. The motor's already in the car, like I said. Transmission, you got the transmission. Bought a transmission yesterday, so Julio has been on his shit. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm happy for my best friend, man. He's been wanting this for a while. He's been chilling, but now he's out for blood right now. So yeah, I'm gonna head over and see what happens. So let's go. Come on, my boy. He thought I wasn't gonna be here for the first startup. My boy. Y'all just literally got home, opened the chat. I literally got home, opened the chat, and I saw you had the motor. Nigga said start. It said startup. Alright, I'm out. Man, nigga got everything done mad fast, bro. Nigga, you just got them. I seen the first picture I seen was with the swap in the car seat. Then I kept scrolling. I saw the shit was in the car with the. I'm like, nah, this nigga out here. What you waiting for now? Oil. You want to go get some?
Yeah, a couple of things from the injectors, fix the injector wires, retape it, put it up.
Boy, oh yeah. Damn, this looks crazy, bro. I thought it was the new wheels too. And my boy got new rims. Oh, he out here. Damn, this is crazy. My boy got money, brand new South Bays. You went higher than 1,000? It's crazy, bro. My man's out here working. And he got 4 new slips. You gotta put some tires on it. Bro, this car, I think this is version 2 of it. You guys see it? Hood exit. I'm telling you, man. Remember this car is coming out for blood. Full weight, no non-cut, nothing cut, full weight. Coming out here, watch. First braking oil. Shit don't even feel real right now, bro. One day Julio's like, fuck this car. Next day, nigga put this shit all together.
Good ass drink.
This nigga drunk.
You was just drinking. Hell yeah, nigga.
Yo, too, I'm talking hot over these, yo. Yo.
Come here with that sexual shit, bro. What's good with you, bro?
Boy, I might need that too. Bro, I might need them cutouts too.
Bro, word, bro. My son came on with the whole stick. Cut him off some spaces from
That's the Home Depot special,
scratch.
That's another one that you fixing?
Yo, Drew, where you was at? I need that for my trans.
Yo, I've been told you, nigga.
Julio, why don't you take
My
the
fault.
casing?
I've been told you, dude.
Yo. Caillou. Yo, y'all can't see it, but they super lit.
All Brooklyn niggas wear this shit.
My boy busting a sweat. You see that head? My boy busting a sweat. Tuba head.
Yo,
Nah, hey, bro. Yo, he super drunk.
Dude, come back with like 5 hours.
Yeah, alright, and then when they come over here, you get on the, how you get a wrench on it? That's 2 shots. Oh, okay.
You can definitely get a rental.
Bueno, no startup today, tomorrow. We gotta drain out the gas. Right, Julio? We gotta drain out the E85 with some regular gas.
I'm trying to pretend like I'm a bitch. Yo, why is some bad bitch turn around?
It's the last piece, right? Last piece? Last piece is tomorrow. Yo, you gotta get videos from your phone and send it to me. Of it cranking up. Well, it cranks, but of it starting. Yeah, it's done for the night right now.
Yeah, Trump said it.
Don't
이랬어? How I feel, my boy? What up, guys? What's going on? Today's Tuesday. I'm out of work already. I came over to Julio's house because, as you guys saw, he turned the motor on the same day that I was there. He said he wasn't gonna turn it on. I guess they ended up draining the fuel. Turned it on like around like 3 in the morning, 3:30, something like that. But the car's driving, as you guys saw from those other clips. But we're gonna bleed his system the right way, so I got his funnel. He's on his way right now for full throttle. He just picked up some tires for the wheels that I told you he just got for his car. He's got like some silver slips for the car, which are gonna look good. He just purchased, I think he purchased 4 R888s for the car. So we're gonna bleed it, and then I'm not sure. I think he's gonna go get a wheel alignment also too, but I'm not sure. I'm just here waiting for him right now. So as you guys see, the car is sitting right there. He cleaned it up also too. So now the car looks good, engine bay looks good. So yeah, probably wait like another 25 minutes. He should be here, but gonna eat some snacks and get on YouTube. Alright, about to bleed Julio's system. I think we're kind of really, I don't know. Let's see if we have the. Yo, Sylvia, look at my cut and shit. Look at my camera, look. Alright, this camera keeps shutting off because it's weird, but. Go ahead. Julio in his damn water.
Sorry for you,
There it goes. Ready to know. Wake up, neighbors. Open headlight. The sound of a pop pipe. That shit sounds crazy. Yeah, they get, yo, that shit is loud, son.
It's stupid quiet.
Yeah, it's not that loud, but out there it's loud. I mean, it's loud like it's when you step on it. That's when it gets loud, when you step on it, though.
Down here, inside.
Oh, sure, yeah. Yo, look, your whole side mirror, your whole corner light came on. Leave it off. Leave it off.
Are you starting? start recording on this shit. Yo. So I know y'all only watch the vlogs though. Oh, right here, look at that. It's my new SI. Chilling. Yeah, niggas don't watch this shit for these niggas, bro. Fuck these niggas. We're gonna see what they doing. JDM shit right here. Damn, look at the little crusty. I need a haircut. Show them my side real quick. Look at that shit. That shit fire, boy. Turbo coming soon, boss. You heard?
So I'm on my way home right now. Julio went to go put on his tires, but I'm headed home. I'm tired. My little daughter. She's not even little anymore. She's 3. She turns 3. We'll be in next week, I think. In a week and a half, the 21st. Today's like the 12th, I think. I don't know. But yeah, she's not a baby no more. She keeps calling me, telling me she wants oranges, so I'm about to go get an orange. But Julio went to go put on his tires, but he only got 2 because they only had 2 at full throttle, so he went to go get 2. And tomorrow the other 2 come, so he's gonna put the other 2 tires on tomorrow. But he got all 4 arch blades. But yeah, the car's ready to go. I don't remember what else it really needs, but besides that, I mean, I think the car's good. Got his weight and just fuck up everything in these streets. But yeah, so I'm gonna head home and put this video together. So thank you guys again for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. Make sure to subscribe. Start watching these videos without subscribing and hitting that like button. And yeah, comment down below what you guys want to see next, or what you want, or what you guys want to see Julio's car do in these streets. So yeah, see you guys later. Build to enjoy. Peace out.